Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Firdousia Vlogs. Due to some technical reasons, we couldn't upload yesterday's 6th video. So here I'm gonna start with day 7. Also, I would like to thank all of you for trying out our recipes. You're watching the 7th video in our series only on Firdousia Vlogs. Today, I'm gonna share with you all the recipe of Harees. This is an Arabic dish made out of coarse wheat. If you're craving for something sweet and you have wheat right in your home, then this will be the best thing you can make out of it. We Malayalis find this as an important item for iftar. So let's shoot on into the recipe. Firstly, I've soaked and kept 1.5 cup of wheat in water for about 4 hours. Now I'm going to add this into a pressure cooker after draining the water. Into this I'm going to add half a spoon of salt. Now add in water until you cover the wheat with water. So as you can see, the water level is just above the wheat. Now cover and cook this on medium flame until the wheat gets perfectly cooked. So now as you can see, the wheat is perfectly cooked, and now it's time to add in milk. Here I've added around 1.5 cup of milk. Combine this well all together. Next, I'm gonna add in sweetened condensed milk into this. This is an optional step. You may skip this step if you want so. I've just added 1/4 cup of condensed milk into this. Add in around half a cup of freshly grinded coconut. Now let's mix this up. For the sweetness, I'm adding in 4 spoons of sugar here. Mix this up once again. Now to temper the mix, I'm going to melt ghee in a pan. Into this we'll be adding 1 to 2 finely chopped shallots. When it starts to turn brown in color, we'll be adding in chopped cashew nuts and raisins. Mix them up. Now it's time to add in the wheat mix we prepared inside this. Time to combine them up. Now for the final touch, I'm gonna add in half a spoon of cardamom powder. Mix this up and your harees is ready to be served hot. So we are done with the recipe of this traditional Malabar dish. I hope you all liked the video and the recipe too. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your feedbacks through the comment box. So this is me Manha signing off. See you tomorrow with yet another video. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.